are ready for another day of exploring Hong Kong, but this time we're going to stay on Lantau Island.
We're going to go on the cable car, which is a big tourist attraction, and see some of the mountains. When I came to Hong Kong, I didn't expect there to be so much nature, which was, you know, on my bad. But yeah, I just thought it was all city, but it's actually surrounded by really beautiful mountains and stuff. So we're going to go check some of those out.
I'm looking forward to that. But first, I'm super hungry, so we're going to go find some food and eat. So we found a restaurant to have some lunch at. So we've ordered a couple of dim sum to try. We've also ordered some roast goose, so I'm really excited to try that, and some sweet and sour pork, which Hong Kong is famous for. We've got rice roll. I'm going to give it, I don't know if you're supposed to eat it in one or not, so I'm going to see what happens. It's really unusual. The rice roll is really soft, and the dough is really, really crunchy. And then the peanut sauce is quite sweet, so it almost tastes like a peanut butter sandwich donut.
We ordered some clay pot rice with, what was it, pork and chicken's feet. If you've never had a chicken's foot before, it looks like this. It's very wobbly. It's mostly fat. There's not a whole lot of meat on chicken's feet, as you can imagine, and it's more like a sucking motion than a chewing motion when you eat them. So yeah, let's give it a try. Oh, so bony. Oh, look at it wobble. Look at it go. Oh, it's like a jelly. It's the meat version of jelly. The sauce that it's in, it's sort of like a barbecue-y type sauce. It's very wobbly, very gelatinous, and yeah, it doesn't look particularly appetizing, but trust me, it is nice.
Finished our lunch, and I don't know about you, but I am super full.
Yeah, absolutely stuffed. Really good food.
Yeah,
amazing.
The food was so good. We spent $424.
Still pretty good value, I think, considering all the food we had.
So now we're going to head off to the cable car.
Let's go.
Got our tickets, so now we're going to get on the cable car. Survived our cable car ride to Ngong Ping Villiage. The views are really, really cool.
Yeah, very pretty.
Yeah.
Good way to see the landscape. Similar landscape to the Peak, though, I would say.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, which is cheaper. So if you're on a budget, probably just do the Peak. But yeah, the cable car was nice. It was cool to see the scenery moving and see. If you like airports, there was a huge shot of the airport, absolutely massive. You don't appreciate how big some airports are until you see them from above. Check
around online for prices, because actually booking on the cable car's website was pretty expensive, and we found an offer on KLOOK. On the cable car website, a single journey was $160. On KLOOK it was $129, so it was definitely a lot cheaper.
If you ever want to know the path to wisdom, it's here.
No feeding or riding the cattle or buffalo. Those are the rules.
Just want to draw attention to the weird culture clash. You hear this music in the background. It's a jazzy version of Born is the King of Israel, and how weird that is given where we are with this oriental gate and a Buddha. Annie has found a friend. She She misses her dog. Holy cow, there's a lot of steps. Whew. I'm not going to count them, but there's hundreds. A lot. The Ngong Ping was nice with the big Buddha and stuff, but you know, it was quite touristy, didn't feel very authentic, so we thought we'd explore some authentic Hong Kong, try and find where the real people live. And so we've come to Tai O. It's a fishing village, apparently.
Looks really nice. I'm really surprised at how much beautiful nature there is around.
Let's go see what's up. Who'd have thought such a beautiful looking thing would be poisonous? It's really beautiful here. The people have got a lot of character, I think you would say. There's a man who was selling lumber just up the street, sat outside his timber shop with his wife, and they both looked about 100 years old. And some of the stuff, people live in their shops. A lot of them you'll see like people selling knickknacks on the street, and then you'll look past them and there's like a living room with a bed and a TV in it. Yeah, it's another world to where we grew up.
Our second lot of many stairs today.
And he loves stairs.
I do. I hate stairs. It's the final level of stairs.
It's the final level.
Level.
So many stairs.
Yeah.
How many stairs are these?
Oh, I have no idea.
A billion. The billion stairs to the Dolphin Viewpoint.
I don't think there's a billion.
A few inches later.
We were wrong. There are more stairs, but not too many. Nearly there.
2,000 years later.
We didn't manage to see any real white dolphins, so thank God there's this statue. So the sun is setting here in Tai O. It's almost time for us to catch the ferry home.
Really beautiful up here, like it's a very sleepy little fishing village, a lot more authentic than say central Hong Kong, away from all the hustle bustle and the chaos and the protests and all the rest of it.
You sort of forget that you're in Hong Kong as well, that you're so close to such a massive city with huge buildings of, I don't know how many stories they are, but they're bloody tall. And then you have somewhere like this.
All of the stories.
Yeah, all of them. But then you have somewhere like this, which is really nice and peaceful, and there's a lot of nature around. In the Ngong Ping Village, there were just, you know, the wild cattle, which was really cool to see. Reminded me a bit of the Gili Islands, that aspect. And yeah, it's just really nice. It's something like there's loads of hiking trails around here as well. If you don't want to take the cable car, you can do like a 3-hour hike to get there, and it's just really pretty and nice.
Yeah, so we're going to enjoy the sunset and perfect end to a perfect day.